Everyone keeps telling you, migrate to the cloud. It's the future. It's the only way to scale. But what if I told you that rushing into a cloud migration might be the wrong decision for your business? In today's video, I'll walk you through why staying on premises, or at least not rushing to the cloud, could be the smarter decision for your unique needs. And I'm going to make it relatable. I'll share an analogy that'll help you to rethink your decision. Let's jump in. Let's be real. The cloud has some incredible benefits. It's scalable, flexible, and in the right context, can save you money. But here's the thing. Just because it's popular doesn't mean that it's right for every business. Sometimes staying on-prem or within your own computer network, or possibly even taking a hybrid approach, is the smarter move. Let me explain with an analogy. Moving to the cloud is kind of like deciding to move all your belongings to a storage unit somewhere across town. Sure, it frees up space in your house, but now you're paying a monthly fee. And every time you need something, you're going to have to drive across the town to get to it. Worse, if the storage facility has an issue like a power outage or a fire, you're just out of luck. Sometimes it's better to keep what is valuable close to home, where you have the most control, easy access, and no one is dictating how or when you use your stuff. The same logic applies to your data and your infrastructure. So, why would a business choose to stay on-prem or local? Let's break down some key reasons. First one's a big one: cost considerations. Cloud services operate on a pay-as-you-go model, which sounds great until you're hit with unexpected costs for storage, bandwidth, or usage that you weren't expecting. For small and medium-sized businesses especially, this shift from a one-time capital expense, so purchasing a blade for a server or a computer, is fine. But the unpredictable operating costs that come with migrating to the cloud could be a real strain. Regulatory or compliance barriers is the next piece. Certain industries, like healthcare or finance, really face strict regulations about where data can be stored and how you store it. In these cases, keeping sensitive information on premises might be the right thing to do and might be easier. In addition, it might be your only legal option, depending on if you're dealing with some type of government regulations. Next, performance and latency. If your business relies on low latency systems such as manufacturing operations or some of the analytics workloads you may be dealing with, on-prem infrastructure can outperform cloud solutions because the data doesn't have to travel to and from. This does change as you scale your data, so be aware of what that breaking point is and when it's time to move. On control and customization. On-prem gives you some control that you're just not going to get in a cloud vendor's pricing, updates, or availability. When you stay on-prem, you set the rules. You can customize your environment to meet your exact needs and helps you stay within budget. Finally, existing investments. If you've already invested a significant amount in reliable on-premises infrastructure, why replace what's working? Sometimes squeezing more value out of what you already have makes more sense than chasing the latest trend. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying the cloud is bad. Far from it. But for many businesses, cloud migration is expensive. In other cases, when you're ready, it's transformative and will take your business to the next level. But it is not a magic bullet. It is a strategic decision that you have to have that requires significant that requires careful consideration of what your business needs are, what your budget may be, and what's your future plan? What's your roadmap into the future for your business? One option to consider that is a great approach as you are considering migration is a hybrid approach. You could keep your critical data and systems on premises while leveraging some of the cloud resources for other workloads like backup or development environments. In addition, you could also have a hybrid solution where you're utilizing things like ADF, which is Azure Data Factory, to pull data from various cloud sources and cloud systems like APIs and other network related systems, and push that data into your local on-premises servers. So this way, utilizing both of those worlds, you get the best of both of the infrastructures. So, what's the takeaway? The decision to move to the cloud or stay on-prem is all about context. It's not about what's trendy or what others are doing. It's about what is right for you and your business. Now I want to hear from you. What is your biggest hesitation when it comes to moving to the cloud? Or have you already migrated and maybe having some challenges? Let me know what those challenges are and what those hesitations are down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, and maybe I could address some of your concerns. Now, if you found this video helpful and enjoy my content, be sure that you like and subscribe and hit that bell notification for further updates and demos and information to help you take your business to the next level and get your business into a data-driven business. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.